Okay guys, hope you've been well. Welcome back to Rev-views. I've finally sorted out the mic, so I have to see how it goes. Hopefully it's not too loud. But yeah, today's the day. I've sort of been working on getting the mileage done. As you can now see, it stands at 568, so we're going to be on our way to BMW to get this unlocked. Business Road. Speaking to those boys soon. Oh, I don't even know if we're going to get the 599. Oh, there you go. It's just ticked over as I said it. 599. Alright, there she is. She's unlocked now. Let's have a look. Road, dynamic Pro. Happy days. Come on, man, I want to go. Let's get out of here. Dynamic Pro. Maximum power, maximum torque, it said. Let's give it a whirl.